Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Ronnie here today with another video. Today we will be installing the rear tire hugger in carbon fiber. I have the piece that I've been waiting for so long and it came last week. So I ordered the belly pan and the rear tire hugger. So it's by RPM Carbon, that's the company that made it, and it's a real carbon fiber. Alright guys, to take off the factory tire hugger, we need to remove the screw right here and the same on the other side. And we'll need to repurpose the screws and the washer that ships with the factory fender. So the RPM Carbon one does not come with anything. It's a pretty solid build, it's pretty durable. It's not gonna bend or anything, it's pretty nice, very lightweight. But it doesn't ship with any screws or washers, so I'm gonna repurpose the factory ones. So there is this tiny clamp that holds your brake cable. To take this clamp off, you gotta put your hands behind there's a tiny, it's hard to see, but there's like a tiny Y-shaped clip. You gotta press the Y and it should pop off easily. So as mentioned earlier in the factory hugger, these are the washers we need to repurpose. So I'm gonna take these out. There you go, so that one, it looks like this, and the same on the other side. There you go. So these two we're gonna use it. Pop this in. Something like that. It'll sit right in. And same on the other side. There you go. Pretty straightforward. Before install, I'm just going to wipe it down with the alcohol just to clean up any dirt that's in this area. All right, I'm going to tighten the first side, the left side that we did. Or let's finish the other side. It's pretty tight already. And for the cables, you just need to take this, the Y plug, and just pop it into the hole right here. That's it. Sorry for the wobbly camera. I don't have a stabilizer yet. I will invest into it soon. But that's how the tire hugger looks. It's really, really neat. There's a big difference that I noticed between the factory and the carbon one that I've used right now. It's mostly the shape. So this is the factory hugger. So if you notice that middle tip, it's quite pointy on the carbon one. It's a lot longer compared to this one, the factory one. So I don't know if I like it or not. It's not too bad. I think I can get used to it. That's the only difference I noticed. That the carbon one is just a little bit bigger, not a lot. Anyways, that's how it looks. It's a very nice finish. Thanks for watching the video, guys. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.